we'll guide you through how to reset VS Code to its default settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. To reset VS Code, you'll need to clear your user settings and extensions. Start by going to the menu bar at the top and click on File, then select Preferences and choose Settings. In the Settings window, switch to the User tab if it's not already selected. Now, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner of the Settings pane. Click on it and choose Reset Settings. This will revert all your user settings back to default, effectively resetting the configuration. Next, you need to address installed extensions, since they can affect your VS Code environment. Go to the Extensions icon on the left sidebar, which looks like 4 squares. Once you're in the Extensions view, you can either disable or uninstall any extensions that you suspect might be causing issues. If you want a clean slate, consider uninstalling all of them and then selectively reinstall only the ones you truly need. After you've reset settings and managed your extensions, it's a good idea to restart VS Code to apply all changes. Simply close the application and then launch it again. This whole process ensures that your VS Code is back to its original state, which can help resolve any persistent problems or errors you might have been experiencing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.